Facebook does a absolute fabulous job of providing games for us to play on the platform. And by the way, just so you know, these games do not belong to Meta. These are third-party games, and the only reason they're on there is to harvest your data. Lecture aside, here's the challenge, and that is when you get into the games, there's no way to get rid of the games from here. There's no way to get rid of the game in the game. There's just no way. There's no option in here to remove the game. So let me show you how to remove games so that they no longer harvest your information if you're no longer playing their game. Hit the three lines. This is on mobile. Hit the three lines. Go down to settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, I'm pretty sure it's go to settings. In settings, scroll down and find your activity. Go to apps and websites. It may force you to log in. Now here's the games that I've allowed on my Facebook: Daily Sudoku and Solitaire. I hit the arrow on Daily Sudoku. Here's what you need to do. If you no longer play this game, then simply hit remove. Remove Daily Sudoku. This is going to remove the connection between my Facebook account and the game. It's also going to remove the access to the game to be able to get to my non-public information beyond what it's already gotten. And thirdly, I could, if I want to, allow Facebook to notify the game so it may offer me an incentive to come back. I don't want that. Hit remove. And now that game has been removed. And my recommendation would be go through this entire list, however many games you have, and choose the ones that you no longer want, that you no longer use, and you want to remove them. By the way, if you like playing solitaire, they don't need to have your email address. I can remove that so they can't see my email address if I was to still play the game, but I don't want the game anymore. I want to remove it. Same statements. It's going to remove my connection between my Facebook account and Solitaire. The game will no longer have access to my non-public information. I can allow Facebook to tell Solitaire so it can entice me to come back. I don't want that. Hit remove. Now, by the way, once you've done that, there's one other thing you may want to do. If you no longer want to play games on Facebook, you may want to turn off the ability to use Facebook to log into these games. Furthermore, you may also want to, or you may want to turn off allowing notification for game requests from friends. Well, I don't want to play games on Facebook. I don't want people to notify me to go play games with them. Furthermore, I no longer want to connect my Facebook account to anything, period. Let me repeat that. I no longer want to connect my Facebook account to anything. Turn that off. It's going to turn off the ability for me to log into third-party apps. I'm not going to be able to play games. I'm not going to be able to fully interact or share content with other apps. Any accounts with other apps or websites you connect to Facebook will get removed. You won't be able to connect your account with other apps and websites to your Facebook. That is fine. Turn it off. I'm backing all the way out to the top to show you one more time. If you're playing games on Facebook and you no longer want to see games on Facebook, hit the three lines. Go find settings and privacy. Click on settings. Scroll down and find activity. And there's apps and websites. And you'll see that I am not connected to anything. Furthermore, you'll see I've turned off the ability to play games in Facebook. I'm Teddy with Techno for Seniors. My purpose is to help you overcome the risks and the fears of using technology, including Facebook games. And I hope this is helpful.